What is up, my beautiful mates of YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to be recommending 3 stunning winter fragrances. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, you knew it was coming. Hit that big red subscribe button down below. It helps me out immeasurably. It's free, it's easy, and it helps me out. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. First winter stunner, Mercedes-Benz Le Parfum. Despite coming in a very luxurious Mercedes-Benz case, inside is the stunning winter scent. Mercedes-Benz Le Parfum has a super rich oud note. The fragrance is tempered and made mass appealing by its bold use of florals and other woody notes. If you're somebody that wants to dip their toes into the world of oud fragrances, you don't know where to start, or perhaps the ouds that you have smelled are really stinky and animalic and overall not appealing to you, Le Parfum by Mercedes-Benz is a fantastic place to start. There's absolutely nothing about this fragrance to dislike. It is one of the classiest fragrances you can find, and even better, it's under $100. So here's the packaging. It even just looks classy and elegant. Once you smell it, you just can't stop smelling it. It's the clean oud, it's the use of rose, it's the other woody notes that accompany it. It's just a fantastic scent, performs like a beast, and it's under 100 Australian. If you haven't got that in your winter rotation, definitely consider adding it. Next up is Carolina Herrera Bad Boy. This is the EDT, not the Parfum. It's one of the densest fragrances I can think of. It is incredibly dense. One spray is plenty. It smells rich, decadent, it's inviting. It is just any adjective, any positive adjective you can think of when it comes to a winter scent. It's a little gourmand. It has like an edible quality to it, you know? It's sort of rich, chocolatey. It's sweet, but it isn't cloying. It's just everything that a winter scent should be. Performance is even better than Mercedes-Benz Le Parfum. We're talking 12 hours plus, at least on my skin and how I wear the fragrance. It's also mad for compliments. This is going to get you compliments like crazy. It is on the pricey side. We're talking 120 plus for a bottle, but my recommendation is go to eBay, get a tester. You can get them for like $79. They're brand new, but just not in a box. Do that, it's way better value. But if you want the box as well as like a display piece, because the boxes are quite nice looking, 120, it's a small price to pay to smell so bloody good. I was gonna originally, in all honesty, I could include Jean Paul Gaultier's Ultra Male on this list, but at $200 plus, especially here in Australia where it's becoming increasingly more difficult to find, avoid it like the plague. Smells fantastic, awesome for winter, but just not worth the money at the moment. So in place of Ultra Male, I've got Eau Pomme Absolute. And this is a very slept on fragrance. It is an eau de parfum, but I think it performs more like an eau de toilette. And wow, vanilla and incense. It's smoky, it's got that rich vanilla note. Eau Pomme Absolute is definitely the most slept on fragrance in the entire lineup, and I would say that is because it has that smoky incense note. Incense isn't a mass appealing note, however, there is just something so dark and classy about this fragrance in particular. You're gonna stand out like a sore thumb in the best possible way. This is a head-turning men's fragrance. You're gonna smell unique like nobody else in your town, in your area. That's because nobody is wearing this, and it's absolutely ideal for the winter time. Performance is less in comparison to what we've featured. Performance isn't fantastic at 7 hours, but that's still better than average. It sits closer to your skin as well, so if you don't want something that just stinks out a room, this is also well worth considering. You can find this at Priceline for about $55 Australian. I have seen it cheaper online, but I've also seen it sort of sold out and selling for more expensive than that as well. So just shop around and try and find the best possible deal. Anyway, every fragrance that I've recommended today is worth owning and worth adding to your winter rotation. So if you've ever worn any of them before, let me know in the comments below, as I love hearing what you guys think. And until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.